everyone, my name is Mahima Bantia and it is a pleasure to introduce EduSure to you. We've been training students for 13 long years, training thousands of students get into their dream institute. When a student makes it to ISI, IIT, IGIDR, DSC, JNU, our excitement is probably as much as theirs. But when a student scores rank 1, oh my god, that high is something else. Regular class tests and mock tests are as important as rigorous training and doubt-solving sessions. I think that's where the seed of success is sown. Guidance sessions and one-to-one mentoring sessions, along with interview practice, make sure that each and every student is taken care of. Our classes are simple but interactive. And when students, even after many years, come back and tell us that our classes help them not only to crack the entrance, but also in their masters and beyond, the happiness that we get is unmatched. We have many courses running, from the foundation to the CU Ed focus to the ISI focus to the self-paced and this and that. It's to make sure that every student is taken care of and their different needs are addressed. Lastly, we provide you with college updates, material, PDF notes, 7 physical books and everything that we can do to help you get into your dream college. We also give you a demo of all of this so you can come and see us before you join us. So everyone, looking forward to you in an EduSure demo class as soon as possible. Take care and see you soon.